In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock cells in Excel. By the end, you'll know how to prevent accidental edits to your worksheet, so your formulas and key data stay safe. First, a quick bit of context. In Excel, locking cells is controlled at the worksheet level using sheet protection. Before protection is turned on, every cell can be edited. Once protection is applied, locked cells can't be changed. This is especially helpful when you're sharing a file or finalizing a report. Keep in mind, this affects only the current sheet, not the entire workbook. Start by heading to the Review tab on the Excel ribbon. You'll find this at the top of the window alongside tabs like Home and Insert. The wording is the same across most versions, and this is where Excel groups all tools related to proofreading and protection. Click Review to open the set of options we need. Next, select Protect Sheet. This opens a dialog box that controls how protection works. You'll see options that let you decide what actions people are allowed to perform when the sheet is protected, such as selecting cells, formatting, or inserting rows. If you just want to lock down changes, you can leave the default permissions as they are. The key thing is that protection won't take effect until you set it here and confirm. Now, enter a password for the sheet. Choose something strong and memorable, as this password will be required to turn protection off later. Passwords in Excel are case-sensitive, and if you forget it, there isn't a built-in recovery method. Consider storing it securely using a trusted password manager. When you're ready, proceed to confirm. You'll be prompted to re-enter the password. This is simply a safeguard to make sure there weren't any typos the first time. Type it exactly the same way and confirm. With that, protection is applied to the sheet, and your locked cells are now enforced. To see it in action, try clicking a cell and typing. You'll get a message indicating that the cell or chart you're trying to change is protected and is read only. That's your confirmation that the sheet is locked and your data is safe from unintended edits. It's a good idea to save the file at this point so the protection stays in place. That's it. You clicked Review, chose Protect Sheet, entered and confirmed your password, and verified the lock. If you ever need to make changes later, you can unprotect the sheet from the same Review tab using the same password. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting.